Okay, children, today we are going to read exercise 1.3. Okay, exercise 1.3 we are going to read it here today. How to find out the unknown angles. Okay, when a pair of line is caught by the transversal and they will form many angles. Okay, in those angles, how to find out the missing angles, that I am going to show you. I am going to explain you today. Okay, children, and here in today's class, okay, first question of today's class goes like this. Look here. It's continue of that exercise 1.3, question number 4. Okay. And here I have shown there one figure. Look there. Are you looking? Sarita, are you looking?
Yes, sir.
Yes. How to find out the value of x here in this figure? What type of angles are they? What type of angles? Tejas, what type of angles are these one given one? 5x and 4x. This 5x and 4x are co-interior angles, right? And co-interior angles sum will be 180 degree. That you have to follow, okay, while solving this question. Do you have any difficulties here?
No,
Hello,
sir.
children. Are you looking on the screen? Sarita, understood or not? We have to add this two angle and their sum will be 180 degree, being co-interior angles. Okay, write the name. Angle BGH, this is angle BGH, and DSG, this is DSG. When you add them, their sum will be 180 degree, being co-interior angles. And find out the value of x by adding them. It will be 9x. 9x equals to 180 degree. Then when 9 goes here, it will be divided, and you will get the value of x 90 degree. Have you understood, children? Sakshi. Hello, Sakshi.
Yes, sir.
Have you understood? I'm asking to Sakshi, okay? Have you understood this solution? Have you understood this solution? Ishika?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Excuse, sir.
Okay, okay, Sakshi, I got your answer there. Yes, please. Who is asking? Please tell.
Sir,
Yes.
I think the answer will be 20 degree.
What will be there?
Sir, 20 degree.
Yes, you are
Question
right.
number 1.
You are right. You are right. The typing is there. You are right, now. You are right. You are absolutely right. Okay. We have to correct this one. This one. You are only looking on the screen. Look there, children. Carefully have look. When this 9 comes here, how this becomes 2? You have to understand that, okay? Your concentration must be on the screen 1. Okay? There will be what? 9. And when 180 divided by 9, what will be here?
20 degree.
20.
You are right. Just only one student was telling. Please concentrate, okay? On the screen. It's 20 degree. Okay, children? Understood? Understood or not?
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Yes. Here is 9. Then this 9 comes here to divide. The 9, when you divide this 180 by 9, you will get the value of x how much?
20 degree.
20 degree. Absolutely right. Please concentrate on the screen. Now next one. Should I move to next slide?
Yes, sir.
Okay. The next question is this one. Please write down and find out the relationship of these given angles here. And you have to tell me what should you do to find the value of this x from this figure. And these two lines are parallel and this is transversal. Okay. Now tell me what type of angles are these two angles? Okay, children?
So co-interior angles.
You
Sir,
are trying.
alternate angle.
You are trying. Okay, alternate angle. Who told alternate angle?
Sir, Abhigya.
Abhigya, good. Abhigya, you have told correct. These are alternate angles and these alternate angles are equal. Alternate angles are equal. Then we have to solve like this. Look here. This is 2 number. Okay. And they are alternate angles. Right? Alternate angles are equal. Then while solving, we have to put like term one side. 3x minus 4x is minus 1x. Then here remain minus 10. And when plus 20 goes here, it will be minus 20. Minus 10, minus 20, minus 30. Minus cancel. Then it will be x equals to 30 degree. X equals to 30 degree is the answer of this question. Okay, children? Have you understood this second one? Have you understood? This question you understood or not? Hello, children. Are you looking on the screen or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
Should I move to the next one slide?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now the next one question is like this. Is Simran, are you doing this one?
Well done.
Okay, good. Now look here, I am going to show you next one. Tell me, what type of angles are these two angles here in this figure? What type of angles are these two angles? These are alternate exterior angles. And alternate exterior angles are equal because these two lines are given parallel. Okay. Sindika, Niruta,
Yes, sir.
what type of angles are these given one angle?
Alternative exterior angle.
Yes, alternate only you can tell. Don't tell alternative, okay? Alternate exterior angles. Okay? Alternate exterior angles. You have to tell, okay? Tell them alternate exterior angle. Then they are equal because the two lines are parallel. Right? Then they will be equal. Then open the bracket, this 2 into x, 2 into 9 is 48. And now we have to put like term on one side. And when you put the like term on one side, this 2 degree will go this side minus, and 38 degree minus 2 degree, it will be 36 degree. 3x minus 2x is x only. X means 1x. Okay, Tejas?
Okay, sir.
Okay, are you looking on the screen? Now, look here. I am going to show you the next one. Have you understood this third number? Have you understood, children?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Good,
sir.
very good, very good. Now, the next one, look there. I am proceeding to the next one slide. Okay, here, look here. Do you know what is the relationship of this x and 130? X and 130 and x and 120. Do you know the relationship of this x and 130 and x and 120? Do you know,
Sir,
children?
co-interior angle.
Okay, you are trying very nice. Okay, you try. Okay, you try is best one. Okay, but look here, they are not co-interior, but we can make them in co-interior angle. For that, we have to construct their one parallel line. Construction is needed. It's very important question. Okay, from the point of view of class 8. Okay, other questions that you have learned, in lower classes also, but here in class 8 point of view one, this is the important one. Look here, this is 130 degree and x. There is no relationship, but we can bring them in relation. For that we have to do some construction. Okay, children, we have to do construction. Some construction is done, should be done. Look here, I have shown construction at the side. Look here, another figure. We have to draw one line EF. EF line should be drawn, which should be parallel to AB and CD. Okay, children? This constructed line must be parallel to AB and CD. Right? Now look here. This one angle, look. AEF. Are you looking on the screen? AEF. Abhigya,
Yes, sir.
look here. AEF and EAB. These two angles are now co-interior angle. Okay. And similarly down, FEC angle and ECB. These two angles are also co-interior angles. Now what happened to you here? This angle X is divided into two angles, right? When you find this upper one angle and when you find out this down one angle, and after finding this separately, we can add these two angles to get the value of X. Okay, children? How to find the value of X? We have to find the value of X. First of all, find the AEF angle, then find FEC angle, then these two angles we have to add and find out the value of X. Okay, Sarita, understood?
Yes, sir.
Construction is needed. Okay, Nirita? This construction is needed. We have to write down in our solution also. Write down in solution also. Construction through E EF is parallel. This is the symbol of parallel, eh? This is the symbol of parallel line. EF is parallel to AB and EF is parallel to CD are drawn. This line is parallel to this and this line is parallel to this is constructed. Are you clear, children? Have you understood, Menuka?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, first of all, we are finding this upper one and this one because we have divided this angle X into two angles. Angle X is divided into two angles. One is upper angle, downward angle is another. Okay. Okay, children.
Okay, sir.
Now, we are finding this first one, upper one angle. Okay. This is coincident angle as I told you. AEF and this upper one angle is BAE. When you find at that time AEF angle is coming there 50 degree. This upper one angle is coming 50 degree. Okay, children? Find the angle AEF. Find the angle AEF by using the co-interior angles. Being co-interior angles one. Are you writing this?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. When you complete this writing one, please tell me, inform me. I will forward. Abhiral, have you understood this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we are finding down one also. Down one also. F, E, C and E, C, D. These two angles are also co-interior angles. Then it will be like this. Look, I am going to show you next slide. Continue of this one. Okay. E, look here. Angle that FEC coming there 60 degree. We got this down one angle is 60, upper one angle is 50. Then when you add these two angles, up angle this one and this angle, when you add these two angles, we will get the value of X. That is known as whole part. These two parts are added. Then we are getting the value of X. By adding these two separate parts, we are getting this whole part. Okay, children? Okay, Sarita? This whole part will
Okay,
come.
sir.
X value will come there. We got just now 50 degree and 60 degree. This upper one is 50, then down on 60. Then when you add 50 and 60, you will get the value of X. Have you understood, children? Niruta, have you understood, Nanu? Tejas Mishra, have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Good. Abhiral, Menuka, Simran, have you understood? Simrika,
Yes, sir.
okay. Should I proceed to the next slide or you are writing still?
Sir, can you forward on a before one, please?
Page.
Previous one.
Yes, sir.
This one.
Yes, sir.
Okay, write down. Okay. Have you completed it?
Yes, sir.
Ishika, have you written this one page?
Yes, sir.
I am showing next one. This was also shown. I hope you have found already. The value of x is 110 degree.
Yes, sir.
Overall, Sarita, have you
Yes, sir.
completed it? Have you completed?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now
Yes, sir.
I am going to show you the next solution how to do it. And please look there. It's 5 number, B number. Look here. Here are also, okay. Look at this 25 degree given, this is 45 degree given, and asked to find x degree. But there is no relationship of this x degree and 25 degree. And there is no relationship of this x degree and 45 degree. Okay. That's why here also we have to do construction. Okay. And how to do construction? Look here. Tejas,
Yes, sir.
look here. I have not seen you here. That's why. There is your name only. That's why only. Okay, look here. When we construct, your figure will be like this. When you construction do, your figure will be like this. Okay, children. Now, this this angle x is divided into how many angles? Look there. Two angles. One is upper one, another down one. Okay. In such case, what we have to do? Look here. Eh? This upper one angle will be corresponding angle with 45 degree, and down one angle is alternate angle with 25 degree. ROQ is alternate angle with OQL. Okay. And these two alternate angles are equal, and this upper one to this corresponding angles are also equal. Then after finding this separate angle, this one, we have to add these two angles to find the value of x. That is known as the whole part XGM. That is known as the whole part theorem. Okay, children? We have to write the construction there, first of all, and then we have to find out upper one angle and down one angle. Okay? Upper one is corresponding angle I told, and down one is altered angle I told. And after finding the value of this two one, we have to add this two, so that we will get the value of x, this one. When you add these two angles, you will get the value of x. Okay, children? Aviral, are you clear about this question? Solution? Hello, Aviral?
Yes, sir.
Now, which angle you have to add? Can you tell what will be the value of x? Can you tell what will be the value of x?
Sir, 70 degree.
Aviral is telling?
No, sir, me.
Oh, Tejas is telling. Aviral, why don't you give the answer? Aviral, I am just telling to add this one. 45 degree and 25 degree, add then this whole angle will
Sir,
come.
because of net problem, I couldn't hear you properly.
Okay, look there. Now we have to find out this upper one angle and this down one angle. Okay, children? Then when you find out this angle, then add them, then you will get the value of x. Okay. I am moving to the next slide. Should I move?
Yes, sir.
Simran, should I move to the next slide?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now,
Okay, sir.
okay, next slide is like, look here. We have to add them. We have to add them, okay? Then this will come third step one, 70 degree. As already Tejas has already told answer about it. This is called the whole part. These two parts are added, then whole part comes. Okay, children? When you add these two parts, then whole part will come. It is known as whole part axiom. Whole part theorem also you can tell. Or you can tell whole part statement. Tejas, should I forward to the next slide now?
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay. Simran, you are still writing or should I forward?
Sir, you can forward.
Okay. Now next question is like this. Look here, VI number. Here also we need construction. We have to construct like this OP angle, this sorry, OP line. OP line we have to construct, which is parallel to. This line is parallel to AB and CD. AB and CD. This line is parallel to AB and CD. Then you will get, okay, upper one angle, alternate angle, down also alternate angle. Then those two angles add, then you will get the value of x. Are you clear, children, about it? Are you clear? You can find upper one angle being alternate angle, down an angle alternate angle, PQC and POA alternate angle with this 42 degree, and you have to add these two angles now. Then you will have 70 degree by whole part axiom. Okay, children?
Okay, sir.
Now, after this, we have, okay, no question of that one, okay? Today this much only. Okay,
Sir,
children?
can you show the last slide?
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Write down.
Sir, done. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Thank you very much. And today this much only. Thank you. Stay safe, healthy, and happy. And thank you
Bye
for
bye, sir.
watching. Bye bye, children. Bye bye.
Bye bye, sir.